Good morning students. Now in this square and square roots, here I will be explaining you that question number 5 of exercise 6.4 that says that what least number must be added. In my previous video I told you the least number that should be subtracted. Now in this question you have to find out the least number that must be added. क्या प्लस करें, वॉट शुड बी एडेड, हम क्या प्लस करें सो दैट द नंबर बिकम्स अ परफेक्ट स्क्वायर. सो अगेन रिकॉलिंग द मेथड ऑफ डिवीजन, हम फिर से डिवीजन की मेथड से समझते हैं. दैट सपोज आई टेक एन एग्जांपल ऑफ 43 एंड दिस 43 इज टू बी डिवाइडेड बाय सपोज लेट अस टेक इट एज 8. Now reading out the table of 8, 8 5s are 40, remainder is 3. Now we have to find out that what must be added, हम इसमें क्या प्लस करें. When we add the number must be greater than this one. 43 में when we will add a number then it will become greater than this. तो ये नंबर 43 से ग्रेटर हो जाएगा. सो वी हैव टू जस्ट रिकॉल द नेक्स्ट नंबर विच इज़ जस्ट परफेक्टली डिविजिबल, दैट इज़ ऑन 5 वी आर गेटिंग लेस नंबर, बट इफ़ वी डिवाइड इट बाय 6 टाइम्स दैट 43, इफ़ वी डिवाइड इट 6 टाइम्स then 8 6 is 48, we are getting 48. This 48 is divisible by 8, and on subtraction of 43 from 48 we are getting 5, हमको 5 मिलता है. So what we see that if we add 5 to this 43, अगर हम 43 में 5 को add करें then we'll get 48. So we are getting 48 and this 48 is divisible by 8. So what we have to do that we are reading out the next number which is just divisible after this 43. 43 से greater next divisible number by 8 we are reading out. Now here the perfect square number, again we have to use the same method. I'll be telling you with the example. Suppose 1750. We will just try to find out the square root and then we find out the difference. When we find out the difference, then difference means greater number minus the smaller number. Just try to find out the square root. 17 is there. Before 17, smaller than 17, we are having 4 square. 4 square is 16 and 5 square is 25. 25 is greater, 4 square is 16. So we read out as 4 16 1, then bringing up this 50 and 4 is added up here 8. Now we have to read out, try to read out the table. 82 into 2, 82 into 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 164 which is greater than this 150, and below that 81 is there. 81 into 1, 81 will getting less number. So what we have to do, we have to write here as 2, here also will write as 2, 164, and then we find out the difference. This is the sign of difference. This is the sign of difference, which means greater number minus the smaller number, and when we subtract it we get 14. Now if we add 14 to this number, 175 50 plus 14, we are getting 1764. And if in place of 50, if 64 is there, 164 is there, then it becomes perfectly a square number. So 1764 is a perfect square number, and that you have to find out. How to find out that? When the last, you have to take the next number greater than this, which is perfectly divisible, and this is the perfect square number. So this is the method that you can find out that how we can find out the least number that must be added. Take another example of 252. We just try to find out the same number, 252. In this number 252, we will be having the single one, 1 1 1 1 is the remainder, 52. Then again adding here 1, we get 2. Now we have to read out the table of 2 with some number. Now 20, here is 15, and we know that 2 sevens is 14. So if we multiply by 6 first, then 6 6 are 36, carry 3, 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 3, 15. 156 is just greater. You have to find out this in the rough work. You can multiply by 5, 6, 7, so that you get the number just greater than this. So on 6 times, we just see that we are getting a number 156. Now finding out the difference, remember this is the difference sign and this is the subtraction sign. So greater number minus the smaller number, 4. 4 is the remainder. Now this 4 is added to 252. 252 plus 4, we are getting 256, and 256 is a perfect square of 16. So that is how you have to find out. You just try to solve the question of this exercise. Thanks.